여러분 안녕. Have you ever looked at a Korean word and thought, why does everything look like little blocks stacked together? Well, those blocks are actually the secret to reading Korean easily. And today, we're finally going to understand exactly how they are built, step by step. Welcome to Learn Korean, where every lesson will help you read, speak, and think in Korean the way it's actually used. And if you want extra practice after this lesson, the AirLearn app has short review exercises and pronunciation guides that help reinforce everything you learn here. Great! Now let's get into the fun part. Before we start building anything, here's the one rule that makes Hangul so easy. Every Korean syllable needs at least one consonant and one vowel. That's it. 2 pieces minimum, and they always stick together to form a block. So instead of letters in a line, Korean letters group into syllable blocks like Lego pieces. Let's build your first block. This is the simplest form, but the trick is knowing where the vowel goes. If the vowel is vertical, ya, yo, or e, it goes to the right of the consonant. For example, 기억 plus is ga. 니은 plus e is ni. Now, if the vowel is horizontal, just like o, u, it goes under the consonant. For example, 미음 plus o is mo. 시옷 plus 으 is 스. Just like that, you're already reading Korean. And now that you understand the basic shape, let's upgrade it. Sometimes a syllable ends with a consonant. The bottom consonant is called batchim. Think of it like a foot that sits under the syllable. For example, 히읗 plus a plus 니은 is 한. 비읍 plus plus 리을 is 헐. You'll see this pattern in tons of everyday words. To make this more natural, let's build some real vocabulary together. Word 1. 가방. 가 is 기억 plus a. 방 is 비읍 plus a plus 앙. 2 blocks, 1 word. Word 2. 한국 means Korea. 한 is 히읗 plus a plus 니은. 국 is 기억 plus 우 plus 기억. Once you understand the structure, reading becomes so much easier. Word 3. 친구 is a friend. 친 is 치읓 plus e plus 니은. 구 is 기억 plus 우. Notice how smooth this becomes after a few examples? Your brain is already recognizing the patterns. Great job, and very normal. Korean has a few vowel sets that look confusing, like 에 or 에, 왜 or 왜. Here's the good news. Every Koreans mix up spellings sometimes, even me as well. So for now, focus on recognizing the block structure, not perfect vowel distinction. Spelling accuracy comes with repeat exposure. And speaking of repetition, let's build 3 syllables together. 비읍 plus a is 파. 디귿 plus o plus 기억 is 독. 시옷 plus plus 니은 is 선. If you read all 3, you're officially unlocked the core of Hangul. To level up your reading, you need to know the strong consonants. These are pronounced with extra attention. 끄, 뜨, 빠, 스, 쯔. Examples in words is 까, 또, 빵 means bread. 씨 means seed or Mr. or Miss. 짜, salty. Once you recognize them, you'll read faster and sound more natural. Korean also combines basic vowels to make new sounds. For example, 에, 예, 예, 와, 왜, 워, 왜, 의. The real examples? 왜 means why. 괜찮아, it's okay. 돼요, it works. These appear a lot in everyday conversation. Here's a special case. The letter O has 2 jobs. 1. Silent placeholder. At the beginning of a syllable, it has no sound. For example, 아, 오, 우. Number 2. 응 sound when used as a batchim, as a final consonant. For example, 당, 평, 동. This simple rule improves reading instantly. Common beginner mistakes. Here are errors almost every learner makes. Reading each letter separately. Korean is read block by block. Trying to memorize whole words first. Learn block formation and decoding becomes easy. Mixing 에 and 에. Totally normal. Don't stress out. Little mistakes like this are part of the process. You did amazing today. Now you understand how Korean blocks are formed, how vowels change the shape, and how to build real words from scratch. If you want to keep practicing these patterns, the AirLearn app has interactive exercises where you can combine letters and test yourself anytime. Keep learning, keep building your Korean confidence. 참 잘했어요. Great job. See you next time.